cooking time, and my name is Leighton from Passion Infused Life with the Stage Breaks, and today I'm going to be cooking scrambled eggs, which I'm not going to eat.
All right, so what do we do first?
We crack these 2 eggs.
Excellent. Look at that yolk, so bright. Those pasture-raised eggs, those are the best. Crack or bonk it first. And I'd bonk it on the counter.
Whew.
All right, so we've got 2 pasture-raised eggs. Leighton, what are we doing next? Do you remember?
Washing my hands.
I love that she's so sanitary.
I'm ready.
All right, what's next?
So I'm gonna take this tablespoon.
Okay.
There's a tablespoon. And this cream, putting 1 tablespoon in it.
Some organic heavy cream. Nice work.
Here's 1 tablespoon. In there.
You can set that in the egg carton, just so it's away from you.
And now I'm gonna put 3 scoops of Himalayan, 3 cranks of Himalayan salt in here. 1, 2, 3. And now we're gonna, no. Whisk it up now. And you can make some fun stuff like this. Okay. Now we're gonna put the butter in the pan. There's my butter. There. Okay. And we've heated this butter pan up.
So it's a cast iron and it's on a really, really low temperature. All right, so we're gonna move over to the stove so we can show you what that looks like. All right, so we're coating the bottom of the cast iron. What you can do, Leighton, is you can grab one of the hot pads and then you can hold on to the handle. All right, so just kind of, make it go around. Keep it on the, there you go. Because you want to coat the whole thing. All right, now center it on the burner. Okay. And we always want to keep our handles out to the side. No, Leighton. Oh, as if she hasn't learned from my burning issue.
I actually got bit by a horse.
I did.
Like
Okay.
A week after you recovered of your burn.
Yes. All right. So let's grab. Can we grab the eggs and the spatula?
Okay.
All right. So now we're just gonna pour these eggs right into the. You can go like this. There you go. We're gonna pour these eggs right into the skillet. You'll notice that it is on a very low heat, and you're gonna constantly be kind of moving these guys around so they get done. Yeah, Leighton doesn't really care for a lot of foods.
My mom,
eggs is one of them.
My mom, she made me eat it, and I threw one piece in the garbage.
All right, so Leighton,
Yes.
now you're gonna use the spatula and you're gonna go around the edges. See how it's kind of cooking quickly already?
Yeah.
And you're gonna wanna go around the sides because you wanna make sure that it gets evenly cooked here. There you go. Slowly be moving those guys around, but you don't want the spatula to get too hot, but you wanna get it from all the edges. Good job. And kind of flip them around and over. You gotta keep turning. Excellent work. So guys, if Miss Leighton, who is how old?
10.
She's wishful thinking there. She's 9. But if Leighton can make scrambled eggs.
Because I'm gonna get a phone. I'm 10.
All right, Leigh, what do you want him to do?
Subscribe.
Subscribe to what?
Passion of Life with the